Hi everyone, welcome to another segment of Jamaica Caana. Today we are just on the outskirts of Toronto, Canada, in this beautiful city of Mississauga. It's a cold day, but it's beautiful outside. So we're here today to visit Voy Jamaican restaurant. We'll be meeting up with the owner, Garfield Thomas. It's very cold, but again, it's a beautiful day. Jamaica Caana at Voy's restaurant. Canada cold. That was said by Peter Metro. Come with me. So hi everyone, this is Voy Restaurant. Beautiful place owned and operated by Garfield Thomas. He is somewhere in the back. But before we speak with Garfield, it's one of his employee, Cassidy. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. You've got a beautiful place here.
Thank you.
Good, so my name is Lyndon from Jamaica Caana. So we're highlighting Jamaicans who are holding Jamaica flag high away from home. So we were told about this place, so we're here today to speak with Mr. Thomas. Garfield, pleasure meeting you, sir. Good. My name is Lyndon, as I told you before, from Jamaica Caana, and we're highlighting Jamaicans away from home who are holding Jamaica flag high. So your restaurant was referred to me by patrons of being here. I was told that you're doing a great job. You're from Jamaica. Where in Jamaica are you from?
St. Thomas.
Good. St. Thomas. Where's St. Thomas?
Wilmington.
Wilmington. Small community. Okay, so how long have you been? Where? Badford?
Badford.
Okay, I've been to Badford, a beautiful place. Beautiful place. So you've been at this operating this restaurant how long?
I've been at this location for a year and a half.
A year and a half. So were you at another location before?
Yeah, I had a place in Niagara for about 3 years, 2009 to 2012.
Okay.
So,
It's a lovely place,
thank you.
you know, and so are you getting a lot of like Jamaican patrons around here?
I get a few, yeah, it's mixed. It's mixed. It's a beautiful mix.
Okay. So anything you miss about home?
Of course, it's the sunshine.
I know.
And the good food, you know.
That is correct.
We're here.
There you are. So, as I've said before, we're taking a little bit of Jamaica to make us chef comfortable here.
Yeah.
Fair enough, man. Fair enough. So you've got how many employees?
Two full-time employees.
Good. So, but you're the main man around here.
Basically, you could say that.
What's on the menu for today?
We get full menu every day. Oxtail, curry, chicken, everything that's on our menu is available.
It's available. Okay.
So we do a little bit more than just to make some masters.
Yeah. Okay. So it's a mix of everything.
Yes.
You cater for everyone.
Absolutely.
There you go. Is it okay if we take a look in the back, see your operation?
No problem.
Okay, come this way. Wayne, my name is Lyndon. Good, sir, and I'm from Jamaica, but Jamaica Caana YouTube. So yes, Garfield, his place of business came on my radar, so we are here today to check out what you guys doing. Good. So, where are you from? You're from Jamaica? Where in Jamaica you're from? Manchester. Anything you miss about home?
Numbers.
Especially at this time of the year, yeah? There you go. All right, man. Is there anything that is now prepared that's on the menu? We've got everything ready. Anything that we can like take a look at, see on the display?
Sure, I'll play some. Only like.
No, you have to. Okay, I'm gonna do
Surprise
a
chicken.
Yes.
And an oxtail.
Okay. So this is a T-shirt. It's a big one. There you go. That's Jamaica Caana. Facebook, YouTube. There you are. So this is a copy of one of my books. What's in your barn? Only time will tell. Okay, that's Miss Cassidy, and she is an employee here. How long have you been working here?
About a month now.
A month now?
Yeah.
Okay, you enjoying it?
Yep, yeah, absolutely.
What's your favorite Jamaican dish?
That's a hard one. I
That's
like it
a hard
all. I really like it all. But
Yeah?
I think after you so much, you have to take one.
Man, that's for a national dish.
I know.
There you go.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Yes, it is. Okay. Well, you're a part of the Jamaican family, and I'm going to give you one of our shirts. This is the Jamaica Caana
Awesome.
on YouTube and Facebook. And let's hope this fits. This is a lovely display from the owner, master chef, Garfield Thomas. Garfield, come over here, man. Man, what an arrangement. Tell me what we have here, man.
We have jerk chicken and oxtail or 2 hot dishes.
Oh my goodness. And I'm sure it's gonna taste even better than how it looks. Man, that's a craft, man. That is a craft. Ladies and gentlemen, I must tell you this. We just had our fair share of the food prepared by the master chef and owner of Voy Jamaican restaurant, Garfield Thomas. I do not want to put myself in trouble. It was embarrassing because I almost licked my plate. They had to take my plate away. The jerk chicken, the oxtail. This channel is not about critiquing food. It's about letting you know where to find authentic Jamaican food. But I should say to you, this is the place in Mississauga and the outskirts of Toronto, even Toronto, to get authentic Jamaican food. If you have never been to Voy's Restaurant, 231 Lakeshore Boulevard East in Mississauga, just 10 minutes away from Square One, you're missing out. Beautiful setting. You can bring your family here. The presentation of the food, amazing. So I highly recommend. This is a Jamaican restaurant for you to take your family, take your friends, come sit, relax, and enjoy authentic Jamaican food. This is the master chef, Mr. Thomas, Gabriel Thomas, owner of Voy Jamaican Restaurant, 231 Lakeshore Road East. Garfield, I do not know what to say. Like we said, the food is amazing. I mentioned to you that this channel is not about critiquing food. It's about telling folks where to find authentic Jamaican food. But I should say to you, I do not want to put myself in trouble. But hands down.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Jerk chicken at its best. Oxtail in Mississauga, in Toronto, none to be compared. So ladies and gentlemen, here's Mr. Thomas.
Come check us out at Voy Jamaican Restaurant, 231 Lakeshore Road East. Saturday and Sunday we have the buffet. Check us out to get a full taste of what we do. Thank you.